These parts of Cape Town will be without water from Wednesday. A number of areas in the city of Cape Town will be without water from Wednesday, December 6, 2023 due to planned maintenance. The city's Water and Sanitation Directorate will be doing planned maintenance work in the identified areas, which will result in water supply disruptions. Tableview, Flamingo Vlei and Blaubergstrand, zero-pressure testing will be done on the water supply network in these areas from 2100 hours on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, overnight until 4 o'clock on Thursday, December 7, 2023. Sunningdale and Blaubergstrand, zero-pressure testing will be done on the water supply network in these areas from 2100 hours on Thursday, December 7, 2023, overnight until 4 o'clock on Friday, December 8, 2023. Maintenance work will result in the water supply disruption to these areas. Westlake Industrial, the water supply to this area will be shut off from 9 o'clock until 1800 hours on Wednesday, November 6, 2023. This will enable the maintenance team to lower a section of the pipeline from the reservoir to the Westlake Industrial area in the vicinity of Stonehurst Estate. The City of Cape Town said sometimes the maintenance work can be more complex than anticipated, which means the work could take longer. Residents to store sufficient water in advance and to keep their taps closed on the day to prevent water loss and or damage when the supply is restored. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.